You taking a picture of our cactuses?
Of you making the cactuses.
Did you, Grandma, Papa, and say, look at these cactuses. They're amazing. That was Grandma, Papa, and Sean Connor was saying.
I think so.
And Eli and Paul, but not Stanley.
Why not Stanley?
Because he's a little baby. Because he does cries. He don't talk like we do. No, because he's a teeny tiny baby. He takes a bath in a sink.
That's right.
And me, when I'm a little baby, we used to take a bath in the sink.
Not anymore though, right?
I want to take the little one. My picture's turning brown. And not mine yet. Not mine.
Let's get it on the video. Let's see. Back up, girls. Let's get your beautiful painting on here. Daphne, can you stand at the side?
Not yet. I have to put water here.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
I need to finish my painting.
Oh, okay. Fine.
Now I'm all finished.
Oh, let's take a look.
Hey.
What do you think I'm...
Plant it in here. There it is. You see? Where's the bug? I got it.
Oh, good.
They're in this. It's a video. Is that our painting?
Yep. And of you making a painting.
Can I see? Rachel got some in my hair. Excuse me. Excuse me, I need a monkey. You keep moving in my way. You keep moving in my way. I can't finish my paintings. Now I can't finish my painting. Soon I'm gonna keep these finished soon. When I get a lot of paint.
Can you tell me what you're making?
I'm making cactus.
Oh,
And
okay.
I'm making a cactus. I'm making a squiggly cactus. Look at my toothbrush. Our turtle. Paintbrush. It's hanging on here. That's one. This one's gonna look like a octopus.